to my dear viewers and my dear friends. I'm Aqib and I'm back with another video. So the topic of our video is multiple reflections of light by a plane mirror. So in this video, in this experiment, in fact, I will be showing you the reflection of light through two plane mirrors, one plane mirror and one glass not mirror. Okay. So this formula is based on the reflection of light. So the reflection of, let's us begin with what is reflection of light. Reflection light is a phenomena in which the light bounces back from a surface, smooth polished surface. So our smooth and polished surface will be the glass mirror, the mirror, not glass. Okay. So for this experiment to work, you should remember one main point: the mirror. The mirror, you can use two mirrors or two glasses, or one mirror and one glass. They should be kept parallel to each other. If they are not kept parallel to each other, you won't be successful in the experiment. So please keep this point in your mind and let's begin.
So let's begin our video how to make multiple reflection by mirror. So this is a plane mirror, as you all can see, and we are going to apply gun glue on this to stick the LEDs on the four sides of the mirror. Okay, now I have fixed the LED with gun glue sticks at the corners of our mirror. Now I will take the glass, as you all can see, and keep it on the mirror. Now I have kept the plain glass on the mirror, as you all can see. Now I will take the battery and connect it to the two wires. Now I have connected the battery with two wires, and as you all can see the reflection. Now let's see how it looks in dark. As you all can see the multiple reflections of LED in the mirror.
So I hope you have enjoyed our video. So please like, share our video and subscribe our channel for more upcoming videos.